somewhere to build a house. Somewhere that's open, but I have, like, a nice view. Like, see, here would be alright. I reckon, just straight out looking over the ocean. I don't know. Must keep searching. A floating tree. I found, like, a little place to hide. So, because I still haven't been able to find a place to live yet. A place to build. A skeleton. I think I'm gonna go kill it. Come here. Ow. Stop flinging me away. Okay, I can't die because I'll lose all my stuff. Can't believe you can actually just walk underwater. Okay, better go up back to the top. And then drop again. Skeletons are badass, eh? Don't want to fuck with them guys. I finally made a house. Yeah, still don't know how to make a door, but I've got my chest there with nothing in it. No, don't pick it up. Jesus Christ. What was that? Oh, it's just sunset. I thought I saw something else. I have a crafting table. I actually didn't know, but I had a crafting table sitting in here ages ago. I've also got... Oh, wait a minute. I want stuff that I can wear, that's what I really want, but I'm not sure how to do that. I did go and look at these. I still don't know how to make a sword. Construct a better pickaxe. I'm not sure what kind of dirt or whatever you're supposed to use for that. Yeah, I've got a furnace. I need iron for doing that. And making food and being a farmer. I don't think I have a hoe. Oh, wait a minute. I do. I have a hoe. So yeah. I actually ran out of this wood planks, so I had to use the other ones, and I still didn't have enough to make a roof, and then it got dark, and I was like, oh, yeah. But yeah, I finally have a house that I will finish, eventually. So there is currently a storm in Minecraft, and I'm guessing that none of the mobs or anything will die, and I would like to work on my house, but I'm guessing now I can't, because I'll probably get killed and lose all my stuff, unless I put it in the chest. That kind of scared me then. I think I have my headphones up a bit too loud. I think I'll take the raw beef with me. And I'll just take the wooden shovel. I think that's how I'll do it. But I don't want anything to get in my house, so I have an idea. Here, I'll just put it in the chest. Oh, fuck it. Oh no. Is it gonna explode? Why do you have to be standing right there? Really? Uh-oh. Motherfucker! I can't believe that fucking happened, eh? Stupid friggin' creeper. Why am I using my... There we go. I wanna collect stuff, so I'm gonna get creepers to blow up. Oh, creeper! Over here! And now we run. Woo! Free stuff. It's only dirt, but... still free stuff. Look at my house now. Is there another creeper? Ooh, there is. Where'd it go? Like, transported through a tree. Where'd it go? Okay, that was odd. I need to collect stuff for my house, because... fucking creeper blew it up. Oh, there's another one. That was intense. Go away. No one likes you. Ooh, thank you. Some more dirt. Oh, flower. Yeah. Luckily, I now have dirt. Come on. Oh, no, don't. Okay. Go away. I want to put flowers down. Beautiful. Collect some Go up top of my... Bitch, get out of here. That's right. Do your 360s and shit somewhere else. Okay, so now that I have more wood planks, repair my broken house. Actually, hold on. I need to get up here. Thank you. I think I'll, like, do some fail stairs. There we go. I just love my house at the moment. Oops. Didn't mean to do that. Oh, no, not there. I'm not sure. Alright, thank you. Whoops. Oh, I don't have any left. Oh, I have one. Oh wait, I think it should be put there. The days don't last very long in this game. Well, I have a refixed, odd-looking house. But to me, in my eyes, it's beautiful. Go away. No one likes you. Go away. Yeah, go on, do 360s. Somewhere else. I really need to find out how to make torches, because that would really help me out a lot.